Hey y'all, Ken here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is absolutely perfect for upgrading your kitchen, in particularly your knives. So if you're looking for a nice sharp knife set, I have the perfect product for you. So this was sent over by a company called VEVOR. Once you open it up, you're obviously going to get a little sheet here. This is going to tell you how to sharpen the knives and keep them nice and sharp. It does include a nice sharpening rod essentially here. So whenever they do get dull, you can go ahead and re-sharpen them. But this is a 15-in-1 set, so you can get everything you need right out of the box. And as you can see, everything is in this nice little block, so it keeps it all organized on your countertop. Give you an idea of the size of the block here. It is about 4 3/4 inches wide. It's about 7.5 inches in depth. To the top of the block, it's about 9 inches. However, to the top of the knives, it's about 13.5 inches. Now, you're gonna get every knife for every application. So right off the bat here in the front, you are gonna get your standard steak knives for eating. Very easy. You got a set of 6 of these. Grab them out as you need. Then go ahead and wash them and put them away. Always easy to access. Then for when it comes to meal prep, you're gonna get a chef knife, a carving knife, and a bread knife. All those knives are 8 inches in length. So as you can see, here is the chef knife. All these knives are nice and super sharp because they are made with a high carbon steel. Here is the bread knife, and then here is the carving knife itself. Now, as far as maintenance of these things, like I said, you get the sharpening stone, but they're also super easy to wash. You can hand wash them, obviously, or you can throw these in the dishwasher and go ahead and clean them that way, which is another nice aspect. Now, in addition to those 3 knives, you are gonna get a 7-inch Japanese knife, and this is what that looks like. And then you are going to get a 5-inch utility knife, and then a 3.5-inch paring knife. Now, all of these knives, as you can see, are a continuous steel construction, so you don't have any like wood handles or anything like that that are pinned or that are going to fall apart. Everything's molded nice. They're very comfortable to hold in your hand, and like I said, very easy to clean. And then finally, you are going to get some basically shears here for trimming out your various meats like chicken and whatnot. Once again, very easy to utilize. It has little rubber inserts here, so it's more comfortable to hold. Also made out of the stainless steel. But like I said, if you are looking to upgrade your knife set in your house and a nice knife block, this set is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.